friends, have you ever gone to the library? That's one of my favorite places to go. Here's a sign that you might see on the street that points to the library. It gives you directions on where to go. So you can hang this up and have your own pretend library at home. You can also use your books and set up a little spot at home. So here is the directions. It shows you the pictures to make two librarians, a lady and a man. Here gives you some pictures of ideas to set up a library at home. Here's the book scanner that you can cut out. And then here's the man librarian. And he has two books, The Very Hungry Caterpillar and All About Dinosaurs. You're going to need a toilet tube to do this. So you're going to color this or paint it however you want to do it. Cut it out and then wrap it around the toilet tube. Then here is the lady librarian. Same thing. She has one of my very favorite books called Where Are the Wild Things? And one called The Little Red Hen Makes Pizza. I love pizza. So you're going to do the same thing with this. And you can have two librarians. Then here is some pre-writing skills. That's going to help you go from left to right because that's how we read. So you're going to take your pencil and trace all the way across. There's 2 pages of different ones. Then here it says fill in the dot of the picture that you might see in a library. You probably would see somebody reading in a library. Would somebody be sitting on top of books in a library? Would an owl be reading a book in the library? Would you find a tree in the library? What do you think? Maybe. Then on the second page, it's the same thing. Do you think you'd find somebody playing basketball in the library? Not a book about basketball, but somebody in the playing basketball in the library. And on this page, you're going to have library cards. You can put your picture here if you want, and you can write your name on the line. And there's 6 here, so other friends or people in your family can have library cards too. And then here's a little list that you can check out a book. Have lots of fun at the library. Bye, friends.